In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the time rate wage system. Now, move on piece rate wages system. When the wages are calculated on the basis of production only, the method is known as piece rate wages system. There are three methods in the system. First is straight piece rate. Second is piece rate with guaranteed day rate. And the third one is differential piece rate. Straight piece rate system or straight piece rate. Under this method, the worker is paid wages at a fixed rate per unit of good produced by him, and there is no consideration of time spent by him in the factory. This method wages are calculated under the formula, and the formula is wages equal to number of unit produced by the employee and rate per unit. This is the formula from which we calculated straight piece rate wages remuneration. For example, if the worker has produced 5 units, on a certain day, and the rate is 12.50. Rate is 12.50 per unit. Then the remuneration will be 5 number of unit produced by the worker, and per unit remuneration is 12.50 rupees. Okay, the total remuneration will be 62.50. This is straight piece rate system. Piece rate wages system is adopted in those industries where the production can easily be divided into units and where very good quality of production is not insisted upon. Okay, advantage of straight piece rate method. Under this system, the workers are paid wages proportionally to the work done by him. Therefore, per unit labor cost remain constant. There is no fluctuation in it. On the other hand, where production is more fixed, overhead per unit is decreased, thereby decreasing in overall production cost. Second advantage, this method is also very simple and encourage the workers to produce more and earn more, as the wages are directly related to the production. Labor cost per unit is predetermined and already known, so cost accounting process become easier. Under this system, efficient workers can easily be distinguished from inefficient worker, and any loss due to inefficiency of worker can be avoided. There is no possibility of clash or disputes between the owner and the worker, and cordial relations are maintained between them. There is some disadvantage also in this system. In their bid to earn more, the workers are in a hurry to produce more and more unit in less time. This may lower quality, and there is a possibility that large number of units of inferior quality are produced. Second piece rate system is piece rate wages with guaranteed day rate. Under this method, the wages of worker are calculated by both the time and the method and rate method and the piece rate method, and he is paid the wages whichever is more in two. Thus, the worker is paid wages in the piece rate, but he is also given the guarantee of the least wages at daily rate. Therefore, he is paid the wages at piece rate or time rate, whichever is more. And the third system is differential piece rate. These rates are adopted with a view to give incentive to the workers and to increase their efficiency. Under this scheme, a standard level of production is fixed by the owner of the factory for each worker. Mostly this standard is fixed as production per hour. In cost accounting, this level of production is known as standard production. Wages rates are fixed on the basis of standard production. Workers who give an output less than the standard production are paid wages at lower rate, and those who give output more than the standard production are paid wages at higher rate. Thus, different wages rate are fixed for workers having different level of efficiency. In the next lecture, we will discuss about some important methods based on differential piece rate system. Okay.